back to the Magic Kingdom at Walt Disney World in the swamps of Florida, or the sovereign state of Disney as I've been calling it. We're going to Thunder Mountain. Right, Soph? Yes, of course we are. She's looking at the map, but I already know it's that way. I think.
Those are the restrooms, Tyler and Quinn.
No. Soph, want to go to this one? Hard pass.
Yeah.
Hard pass. Unless we need the air conditioning. This is Liberty Square, which is Walt Disney World's New Orleans Square, pretty much. I feel it doesn't have as much character, but it serves the same purpose.
Thank you.
No! Splash Mountain's closed. One of the best is closed. But the mountain next door is still open.
Splash Mountain or Space Mountain?
Felipe se fue a comer lemon.